Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of earning a substantial income from the comfort of your own home? Well, today is your lucky day because we have an extraordinary opportunity to share with you. Get ready to take advantage of this dumbfounding AI website that can generate a mind-blowing $519 a day. Yes, you heard that right, $519 a day, and it's easier than you think. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future money-making videos. We provide valuable insights and strategies that help you achieve financial freedom. Now, let's get straight into it. In this video, I will demonstrate an extraordinary platform that harnesses the power of AI to help you generate income online. Don't worry, because this opportunity is accessible to everyone, even if you're not a tech expert. All you need is a reliable internet connection and you can commence earning money from the comfort of your own home. I will guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you can earn money online more swiftly than ever before. Therefore, pay close attention until the end to ensure you don't miss any crucial steps for making money. Now, let's delve into it. To begin with, I know you must be curious about how you can earn such a substantial amount of money. Well, allow me to introduce you to an absolutely astonishing tool called Panel Stars. Trust me, this platform is a complete game changer for social media marketing. The best part is that it's incredibly user-friendly and won't strain your finances. With just a few clicks, you can acquire likes, followers, views, and all those engaging elements at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional marketing. It's like a turbo boost for your online presence that won't deplete your bank account. Here's the most fantastic aspect. Panel Stars is suitable for everyone. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring influencer, or simply someone who wishes to make an impact on social media, Panel Stars has you covered. Don't worry if you're not a social media expert either. Their website is designed to be extremely user-friendly, allowing you to get up and running in no time. Now, I know you're eager to learn how Panel Stars can work its magic for you. Let's dive in and provide you with the details. First, create an account to get started. Then choose your preferred social media platform. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or any other platform available, Panel Stars has your back. Now, brace yourself for the exciting part, selecting the type of engagement you desire. Imagine this: likes, followers, views, comments, the very things that make your post shine brightly. The more engagement you have, the higher your post will soar. Now that you understand what Panel Stars is all about, let's move on to step 1 of this money-making process. Step 1, sign up for Panel Stars. To create a Panel Stars account, head over to the Panel Stars homepage. Look for the sign up button in the top right-hand corner and click on it. And voila, you're now on the registration page, where you'll need to provide a few details. Start by entering your first name, last name, and email address. This helps to verify your identity and ensures the security of your account. Next, choose a strong, memorable password. This will be your key to accessing your account, so make sure it's robust and keep it safe. Oh, and don't forget to select your time zone. This ensures that your social media engagement is delivered at the optimal time for your audience. Take a moment to review the website's terms and policies. If you're in agreement, simply click the Create New Account button. Now you'll be directed to your account dashboard, where you can explore all the amazing features that Panel Stars has in store for you. Step 2. Discover the Pinterest pages featuring digital products. Now let's switch gears for a moment and focus on digital products on Pinterest. Pinterest is an incredible platform for discovering various digital treasures, presenting an excellent opportunity to enhance your online presence. So how can you make the most of it? One effective strategy is to find Pinterest pages that promote digital products. You may be wondering why digital products specifically. Well, allow me to explain. How do you find Pinterest pages that promote digital products? It's actually quite straightforward. Utilize the search function on Pinterest and enter keywords like digital products or online courses. This will create a list of relevant pins and pages for you to explore. Another simple method that I recommend is using hashtags. Hashtags is an excellent way to discover fresh content and connect with like-minded individuals on Pinterest. For digital products, search for popular hashtags such as digital goods, online learning, or digital art. This will display a collection of pins and pages related to your search, offering you a plethora of options to explore. Once you've found Pinterest pages that promote digital products, take some time to examine their content. Look for pins that showcase the products or provide helpful information about them. This will give you a better understanding of the page's style and content, enabling you to tailor your approach when engaging with them. Step 3. Direct messaging Pinterest creators. Once you have identified some Pinterest pages that showcase digital products, it's time to reach out and offer your services to enhance their social media presence. This presents an excellent opportunity to assist small businesses in reaching a broader audience and increasing their engagement. When contacting them, it is crucial to personalize your message. Start by introducing yourself and mentioning a specific pin or page that caught your attention. If you're offering social media boosting services to businesses promoting digital products on Pinterest, it is crucial to emphasize the main problem they face: a lack of engagement. Start by mentioning that you noticed their pin didn't receive much interaction, such as saves, likes, or comments. Then, explain how boosting their engagement can significantly improve their brand's trust and visibility. Next, offer specific ways you can help. For example, you could mention leaving positive comments about their digital products to enhance their brand image, or boosting their pins with saves and likes to attract a larger audience of potential customers. Providing these specific strategies demonstrates that you have a clear plan and can be relied upon. Step 4. Fulfilling orders with panel stars. Let's delve into the final step of our tutorial. You have already contacted Pinterest pages that feature digital products and offered to boost engagement by leaving comments. It's time to fulfill those orders and start earning some cash. When an order comes in, visit the Panel Stars website and select the specific Pinterest engagement service your client needs, such as saves, likes, or comments. Provide the necessary details about the Pinterest page that require engagement and complete the payment. From that point on, it's in Panel Stars' hands. They will promptly deliver the engagement to the Pinterest page, saving you time and ensuring your clients receive the desired engagement to grow their business. Once you have your first client, you can request a testimonial from them and showcase the results to others. And that's it. I hope you found this information informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more content just like this. We love creating videos and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Remember, with the power of Panel Stars and your social media engagement services, you can unlock tremendous opportunities to earn money online. Don't wait any longer. Start taking advantage of this incredible AI website today and pave your way to success. Remember, anyone can do it, and all you need is an internet connection and the willingness to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and seize the opportunity now. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to check out more videos on the screen